Goldenrod, Solidago spp, is a hardy and versatile perennial flower that is native to North America. With its bright yellow blooms and tall, airy growth habit, it is a popular choice for wildflower gardens and naturalized areas. Here's how to grow and care for goldenrod. Planting. Goldenrod prefers full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil. It can be planted in the spring or fall, and should be spaced about 18 to 24 inches apart. Goldenrod can be planted in groups or as a mass planting for a more natural look. Watering. Goldenrod is drought-tolerant once established, but it should be watered during extended dry periods to ensure proper growth and blooming. Fertilizing. Goldenrod does not require heavy fertilization, but a light application of a balanced fertilizer in the spring can help promote healthy growth. Deadheading, or removing spent flowers, is not necessary for goldenrod. However, if you want to prevent self-seeding, you can snip off the old flowers at the base of the stem. Winter care. Goldenrod is hardy in most climates and does not require special winter care. However, in areas with heavy snowfall, it's a good idea to provide some support to the stems to prevent them from breaking. Pests and diseases. Goldenrod is relatively pest and disease-free, but it can be affected by powdery mildew or rust. If you notice any issues, remove and destroy affected foliage, and consider treating with a fungicide. Propagation. Goldenrod can be propagated by dividing the clumps in early spring or late fall. In summary, goldenrod is a hardy and versatile perennial flower that is easy to grow and care for. It prefers full sun to partial shade, well-drained soil, and occasional watering and fertilization. Deadheading is not necessary, but it can be done to prevent self-seeding. Goldenrod is generally resistant to pests and diseases and can be propagated by dividing the clumps.